Well, coming up on Friday, September 13th at the Performing Arts Center, the toll roads and the city are having what's called the Stick and Go event. Now, what is that? Well, they're transitioning from their transponders to RFID tags, and it's something that I got probably about 2 months ago. So today we have Mayor Connors on, and we have on Lori Olin, and Lori is with the what's really called the Transportation Corridor Agencies. We call the toll roads, right?
Correct. Most people know us as the toll roads.
Yeah. Is it one and the same?
One and the same.
It's one and the
yes.
same. All right. Great to have you both here today. So as I said, you folks are transitioning over, and this is what this event is really about. There are these RFID stickers that a lot of folks here are familiar with because people have something similar on the front of usually it's their headlights, and that gets them in and out of the gates. Mm-hmm. This is really the same technology, but might be a little more difficult to put on. I know it kind of was for me because you gotta reach ahead, but that's why you're here today. That's why both of you, to tell us why you are doing this.
Right, so we're having this event because we realize that sometimes it's a little tricky to get the sticker on the windshield, or people need a little extra help or have questions. So we decided it would be a great time to come out and have an event and have drivers or account holders bring their sticker package that they got in the mail and come out, and we will put the sticker on for the driver. So it makes it really easy.
Yes.
We'll also have some refreshments, and we have people there who can answer questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, as Ken said, he drives a van, I drive a Prius, and I know from cleaning my windshield that reaching way up there is really awkward.
It's hard,
and I know it's awkward for people who are less able than I am. And so I've had my sticker for a couple of weeks now. I just carry them around. I'm going to wait and let the trained professionals install them. Trained sticker professionals.
Let me ask first why you are doing this. Now, over the years, of course, there's been the transponders, and there's been different ones of those, and we'll talk about that. And there was also the ones that would fit on the license plate, the bars and things like that. So why are you doing this transitioning?
So the state of California has asked all tolling agencies to be moving towards some new technology that's eventually going to get us to be interoperable throughout the whole United States. So all tolling agencies in California are working toward getting all of our account holders to use this technology. So that's what we're doing. It's really a technology upgrade, similar to what you've had here in Laguna Woods recently.
Yeah.
So transponders can take the form of a sticker, a small, clear sticker.
Now, this is what you just mentioned, that eventually this can be used throughout the country. And one of the things I think that's been a little confusing to folks over the past several years is you have the fast track, and maybe can you use that on the 91? Can you? Because I know that's a separate, different type of situation. If I'm driving up in the Bay Area and cross the Golden Gate Bridge and things like that, is this a move towards you can have one sticker for all these different things?
Yes, fast track can be used on any tolled bridge, lane, or road in California. That's
nice. And then I know that, like for me, I have the account, it gets refilled every whatever it is. I have a threshold. If I were to use this somewhere else, and I might go through it faster, I'm on vacation, I'm up in the Bay Area, is that just means it pulls from my bank account a little bit quicker? Or some people have ones that are pay as you go. So talk about that, because with this transitioning, I'm sure people are asking, well, are you still going to have that ability? Right,
it's fast track, and the method of payment will remain the same. So if you prepay or pay with a credit card, or you get an invoice, the method of payment stays the same, but now all of our accounts will be called fast track.
Okay. And Cynthia, I know that this is something that, as you mentioned, you've got these in the mail, and I think I've had mine, I want to say a couple months ago. I think that it was about that I got mine. And does that mean that coming up on Friday the 13th, that the people that should come by are ones that have just gotten this? That mean everyone should have gotten this by now?
So if you have a fast track account and you've had a fast track account, you should have already received this package with your stickers. So make sure you bring those out to the event. And then we have express accounts, which are accounts that could only be used on the toll roads. They're going to start getting their sticker transponders. Some of them are already getting them. Some of them will get them in the coming weeks. And then depending on how this event does, then we may come out and also help the people who are just now getting their stickers.
Okay,
we'll
that's
come out again
okay.
and help them put their stickers on.
Okay.
I will say, if you think you should have a sticker and you don't have one yet, you can go to the toll roads office and get your sticker and then bring it in on Friday and have it put on.
Well, that's what I was going to ask. Do you have the ability at this event, if people have never had a transponder, to come down there and go, I want to sign up?
We will. People will be able to sign up.
Okay.
We can help get them signed up. They just won't have their stickers there that day. So
All right.
then maybe we can schedule another event and come out and help them put their stickers on. We also have our service center near Irvine Spectrum, where if you come in and you need some help putting a sticker on, we're more than happy.
Oh, where is that? I didn't know
come
that
out.
was there.
So it's near Irvine Spectrum on Pacifica and Barranca.
Okay.
Those are the cross
I didn't know
streets.
that.
So it's really easy, it's really convenient.
Yeah,
If you can't make
that's
it out
great.
to this event, but you need some help, come on out and we'll do that for you at our offices.
Okay, now here's a couple questions that I want to know.
Okay.
With the transponder, well, my first question is, what do I do with my transponder? I still have mine. I don't have it on the dash anymore. I didn't throw it away. I think I have it in my glove box or something like that. What happens to those? Like for me, is it once I put the sticker on, that becomes inactive?
Well, so the hard case transponders still work, and it's good to keep those if it has the switch on it, so that if you...
Mine does not. Mine's like the square,
Okay.
it's like that big.
So if you have a square one that doesn't have a switch on it, it's time to deactivate those in your account and recycle those like you would a household hazardous waste or a
Okay.
battery, and I believe you can do that at City Hall.
I believe you can do that.
Okay.
So that would be the way to get rid of those. If you have a hard case transponder with a switch on it, it's good to keep that in case you're going to drive on the 10 or 110
Okay.
and you have a carpool and you want to make sure you get those discounts. And it's also handy to keep around. I know my mother-in-law comes into town, and so I put her license plate in my account and I put that hard case transponder
Okay.
on her windshield.
That's what I wanted to ask you about. Okay, one of the advantages of having the hard case transponder was exactly what you said. You have a visitor and you could put their license plate on it. The other one is maybe you have a loaner car because your car's in the shop for a few days. If I just have that sticker, now what?
The secret is that the tolling comes from the license plate.
Right.
And if you add your mother-in-law's car or your guest car online to your account, the license plate is photographed in the absence.
Okay.
It's photographed always.
In the absence of this
and in
sticker.
the absence of a sticker or transponder, it'll still be billed to your
Okay,
account.
so that's what I wanted to find out. As long as it's really the same thing, if they don't have a transponder, they don't have a sticker, it doesn't matter. I can put them on my account or if I have a loaner car, I guess I'd have to get on very quickly.
Right,
Yeah.
and that's really for vehicles that are going to be on your account for a short amount
Yes,
of time.
right, yeah,
That's
yeah.
a really great solution.
Okay.
Otherwise, if it's going to be for a longer amount of time, we really like a transponder, so that way it's like a checks and balance system. And so if the transponder doesn't read, then we can charge a toll based on the reading of your
Okay.
license plate. But for short-term visitors or rentals or loaners, you can just
Okay.
make sure you add your license plate number to your account.
Okay, so my transponder that I have right now is I should deactivate that.
You should deactivate
Okay.
it. Go into your account and you can find the transponder number and deactivate it. You could also call us or come into
Okay.
our call center or our walk-in center and then dispose of it as you would batteries.
Okay, but that's a good thing because I wanted to know what was going to be happening with that. If someone does have a loaner car and you think, hey, this has happened to me. Okay, it's going to be take a little bit longer to fix this warranty repair. We're going to give you a car. Now, I don't need to take the toll road home, if I don't want to, so it's not a big deal. But if someone takes it home, they should then immediately contact within 24 hours the toll road and go, oh, by the way, because what's going to happen is wherever you got the loaner car from, it's going to be, hey, wait a minute, we just got a charge.
Right, so it depends
Yeah.
on the rental car agency.
Right,
And then
yeah.
you can also always enter a license plate number and backdate it to the date that you
Okay.
drove, or kind of
All
the
right.
starting date.
Yeah,
Very
it's not,
good.
it's not so urgent that you have to do it within 24
Yeah,
hours, but you
yeah.
need to do it in a couple of days.
Just
Okay.
don't forget.
All right, that's a good point. So for this event, it's going on from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the morning over at the Performing Arts Center parking lot. And just show up. You don't need to make a reservation.
Nope, just show up.
As long
We're
as
gonna
you've
have
got
a
this.
team there. We'll be in the bright safety vest, so you'll be able to spot us,
Okay.
and we will help you. We will get the sticker on your windshield, so if it's
Do you have a special little tool to do that?
no,
That's-
We're just trying.
They're bringing people with long arms.
Yeah, yes, which I don't have. All right, so that makes sense. Well, thank you very much. You know, we're right after the segment, we're going to have a little video that we're going to show on this. But I think it's good that you folks are doing this. And I imagine this is, you know, eventually throughout the country, I'm sure many agencies use something similar.
It's where the tolling industry is going.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you very much for coming on.
Thank you. Thanks for having
Good
me.
to see you, Mayor.
Nice to be here.
You take care. And as I said, we're going to leave this segment with a quick video on this new sticker and take a look at that. And then on Friday at the Performing Arts Center, if you've gotten this in the mail, stop on by from 9 to 11 o'clock to help you put those in. We'll be right back. Yes, the dog.
A new era in tolling technology has arrived. The future of Fast Track is here, and now in the form of a thin sticker that is specifically created to be small, unobtrusive, and with more simplified payment options. But don't let the small size fool you. Its built-in technology will not only have you zipping through the toll roads of Orange County, it also gives you easy access to all of California's tolled bridges, lanes, and roads, saving you time, avoiding traffic, and getting to your destination stress-free. One sticker transponder will be provided free to each vehicle listed on the account. And starting in mid-2019, Fast Track account holders will be able to choose from 3, not just 1, payment methods. Plus, there will be no monthly account maintenance, and frequent Fast Track drivers may be eligible for discounted tolls. So how does this new technology work? The new transponder does not require a battery. Instead, it has a small antenna embedded in the sticker. Just like the hard case transponder, when you pass through a toll location, the equipment reads the sticker to automatically charge your account the appropriate amount. Installation is quick and easy. When your sticker package arrives, follow the simple instructions on the envelope. It's important to know that the sticker must be adhered to the inside of your vehicle before driving on a tolled bridge, lane, or road. There, you're all set to go out and enjoy the drive. A new drive awaits on the toll roads of Orange County.